Hello, I'm laying these vinyl floor planks. That's the type of floor plank that I'm laying, and I've noticed a problem with them is that I can't get the next board to interlock with in long ways and also with the short board, because the short end slides in and then the long end this has to be lifted to be put in, and these boards have a MDF backing. Yes, so the long edge on the left hand side has to be lifted to fit in place, and on the short edge on the right hand side that needs to stay flat and slid into place. So I just can't lock that board into place. And there's the short edge being slid into place, but I can't now lock the long edge into place. So what I decided to do is, as a solution, is to cut out all the boards I need for each row. There's 3 boards in this case, and get the short ends all locked into place, and then push all of the long ends, the 3 long ends of each board, into place all together. And I did that by getting a long piece of pine and just push that under the 3 boards and get them all at the right, all at the same angle. And then I'd carefully push the long end and push them all into place, all 3 boards together. Just push them all into place, get the mallet, and just go along with some light sort of taps with the mallet on the edge of the board, so that all the whole way along that line it was nice and a snug fit. That was all properly in place. And once I was happy with that, pull out the piece of pine and drop the boards down, push the pine over, and a few taps along the edge of the pine, just sort of careful taps, and until the board locked into place. And there we go, that next row is all nicely locked into place, and it's nice and flat down there on the existing floor. So there we go, that's one solution, I suppose, when you're having problems getting all your boards to lock on each corner, is to set them up in one big row and lock them into place. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.